A question we get asked a lot is, what's the difference between T5 and T8 tubes? If you're replacing fluorescent tubes or upgrading your facility lighting, you've probably run into T5 and T8 LED lamps. They look similar, but the differences matter. Let's break it down. First, the basics. The number refers to the tube's diameter in eighths of an inch. T8 is the thicker, more traditional tube, and T5 is slimmer and more compact. Historically, T5 fluorescents ran hotter and more efficiently than T8s. That's why you saw them in high bay applications. But with LED, that gap has mostly closed. Most LED T5 and T8 lamps now deliver similar efficacy, typically 100 to 150 plus lumens per watt, depending on the manufacturer. So what actually decides which one you need? Mainly, your existing fixtures. T8 fixtures are more common in offices, retail, schools, and warehouses. T5 fixtures are often found in newer high bay setups, coolers, and spaces where a slimmer profile matters. Always review the product specifications and installation instructions before beginning your project. T5 and T8 tubes are not interchangeable. They have different pin spacing and lengths, so a T8 LED won't fit in a T5 fixture, and vice versa. Always match the lamp to your existing socket type, or replace the whole fixture if you're switching formats. At Warehouse Lighting, we carry a wide selection of T5 and T8 LED lamps for commercial and industrial applications. Not sure which option fits your fixture? Our lighting experts are ready to help you and find the right lamp for your space. Visit warehouselighting.com to shop and get expert support.